In this video, I'm going to show you how to batch print invoices in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you want to mark invoices for printing. Now you want to go to up top where it says customers, and you want to click on create invoices. And then in here, you can just switch between them like this. So you can use this clicking button over here to the left or to the right. And that way you'll be able to switch between invoices, or you can click on the find button and find the ones you want to print, okay? Then whenever you do that, just check the print later box up top. So go in each and every single one, save it, and then you can just go ahead and basically keep finding new ones and clicking on print later, and you can just keep on going forward. You have to save the changes, of course, so you can do this down here, or of course with the pop-up window which appeared. So save and close. There we go. Let's say these three are now the ones I want to batch print. Okay, now whenever you do this, you then want to go to file top left, and you want to hover over print forms. In here, you want to find the invoices, which is over here, and you want to click on it. And as you can see here, there we go. There's now all the forms or invoices I actually selected to print. And now to do this, to batch print them, click on select all over here. All of them are going to get checkboxes. So then click on OK. And now you're going to go headed into the print menu. And in here, you can select your printer, stuff like that. Click on the print button, and you will print or batch print your invoices. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.